Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Chromie. So for today, we'll have a game. This is Tuplok game or giveaway. So, ano lang gagawin nyo? For YouTube, number 1. So first thing that you're going to do is watch this video in full. Do not skip because YouTube will consider it as a spam. So when it's a spam, your entry will not be included. Second step, after watching, you need to hit the like and subscribe button. So after hitting the like and subscribe button, please leave a comment on this video. Okay? Why do you need to win this game? I will be selecting 5 winners, 5 subscribers in random order, and another 5 for the best reasons why they need to win this game. But we will only have 1 winner among the 10 selected. And manalo sila ng 500 pesos only. So, for the winner, isa lang mananalo. So, in the next video, I'll be announcing the 10 kung sino yung pinakaunang makakontakt sa akin. Siya yung mananalo. So, abangan nyo ang next video. Of course, Facebook, all you need to do is, number 1, you need to watch this video in full. Do not skip because if you're going to skip, your entry might not be considered because it will be considered as a spam, so your entry will not be included. Next step is that after watching it in full, you need to hit the like and subscribe button. And the last thing that you're going to do is you need to share this post in your Facebook account. The most wild shared posts will be selected. I'll be selecting 10. This hashtag #ChromeWorldVlogs. So it would be easier for me to check on the most wild videos. So that's it. If you have questions, queries, you can check the description box so it would be clear. Next week, I'll be posting the possible winners, but there will only be 2 winners from the 10 in Facebook and from the 10 in YouTube. So the possible winners will win 500 pesos each. So, congratulations. Yun lang muna. So for those who are interested to join, please go.